This is our premises where we make a different kind of cold room solution. Here, I'm going to take you a tour of a 20-feet container size cold room. So as you can see, this is a 20-feet container which we have colored with jungle green color because it is going to Mara for one of our clients who wants to store fruits and vegetables. Okay, so you can see we have installed the cold room inside the container. We have leave the sufficient opening space so that uh, when you are opening the door or in the night time when you want to secure it, just close this door and then close and lock the door so that it will be properly secure in your premises. Then if you can see we have used a swing door. If you open the door, you can see we have used a very heavy duty gypsum material for opening and closing of the doors. And once you are entering inside the cold room, you can see a PVC curtain. And that is to avoid the cold air to come out and the hot air to go inside. This is portable kind of cold room. You can shift it from one place to another place. Example, let's say you are a farmer in Nevada. You have a leased land over there. Tomorrow you are planning to go to Nakuru. So you can easily pick this cold room and shift it to the Nakuru farm. If you don't need. Or if you are a seasonal farmer, you can easily shift from one season to another season, and this kind of cold room can shift from one place to another place.